me and Tov have always wanted to go to Lofoten, Norway. And with only 6 days left of summer, we decided to finally do it. Only problem is, we live here. And Lofoten is up here. And the flights were really expensive. So we decided to drive. Sup dude? Hey man, any plans for this week?
Yeah, actually going to Lofoten.
Oh nice, what time's your flight?
Oh no, we're driving.
Oh, okay, so it's a long trip.
Yeah, 6 days.
You're driving?
Yeah.
Toren, it takes 3 days to drive up
I know.
one way.
I know.
So you'll have 1 day there?
Yeah.
Sick, right? What's wrong with you?
Nah, YOLO, bro.
Yeah, are you okay, bro?
Nah, I gotta catch my car. See ya, bro.
To put that in perspective, driving to Lofoten takes the same amount of time as driving down to Italy. And we had 6 days to do the whole trip. Tov has had like 4 coffees. He's all high on caffeine. But now it is time for Toren to go to bed. Check in later. Running on 4 hours of sleep, a desperate morning coffee was needed.
Det tenker jeg.
Yeah.
Da sitter det fint.
And there's nothing better than Tov's shaken cappuccino. With a view and bacon, of course. And then we were on our way. After a few mountains, tunnels, trains, sheep, and oh, the coolest thing ever, a reindeer herd. Then more sheep. Straight up gangsta sheep that did not give up. 40 hours later, we finally made it to the last ferry of the trip. And we missed it. Welcome to Lofoten. And if you were wondering why we wanted to come here so bad, the answer is that beach. That beach hosts one of the best surfs in Norway. Screw the bacon, we're having sunny surf stuff for breakfast. Sick. Ooh. Boo. Yeah, the surf was flat. And tomorrow morning would be our last chance. But in the meantime,
Love it, bacon.
ooh, bacon. Casually eating cold tomato beans, waiting for the rain to pass so we can show you with the drone how sick this place is.
And welcome to the world's nicest football field.
Pretty damn nice football field. Let's spin back to camp. Danger!
And it is that time. It is shower time. And I ain't no hot tub, ain't no warm, scrubby shower. It is pure cold mountain water we are gonna be showering in. That right there is our camp. And behind here, there's a lake, AKA our shower.
Det går ikke an å bade.
Det er dritkaldt, sant?
Så kommer vi igjen. Det er så kaldt.
We've been there half an hour. Nobody wants to jump in. It's freezing cold.
hurricane. I'm the ice man.
Okay, let's do this. Look up. Look up. Yeah. Come on, come on. Oh, 9, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, boy, Anthony. Woo!
Oh, vet du.
And we're all showered up. Woohoo! It started raining again, and I think a shower's coming. So we gotta run down to camp. Oh, the wind is really picking up, and it's freezing. Oh. And back in shelter. That is how fast the weather changes here. I mean, now it is just straight up storming. Chill. And I think we're gonna say goodnight for today because tomorrow we're waking up early. There's supposed to be awesome surf on the beach behind us. So we're gonna go to so we're gonna go to bed now and surf early morning tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Alrighty, good morning. It is a really damn cold morning. Tov's cooking up some meatballs. Always important with some good canned meatballs before a surf sesh. Oh. Whip that way.